Hello, I am Putri Shahnas. I'm a bachelor's degree student in chemistry forensic analysis from UiTM Shah Alam. Without wasting any time, let's just jump right into the video. Both ISOs are basically a generic management system standards. They comprises families of standards that consist of management system and related supporting tools. They provide organizations with a model for setting up and operating a management systems. As you can see here, there are about 20 elements within the ISO 9000. And here is the ISO 9000 registration process. If a company or an organization would want to acquire the certification of ISO 9000, they should be going all of the 7 processes. After that, they will gain or receive their accreditation. And here are the elements within the ISO 14000. If you look closer, most of these elements are basically similar to those in ISO 9000, except under ISO 14000, all of these elements focus on the environmental effect and consequences that may or may not be contributed by an organization or a company. As I've mentioned before, ISO 14000 focuses on the environmental effect. Hence, under procedure of ISO 14000 as listed, it mostly consists of management of waste to prevent further pollution. ISO 9000 and ISO 14000 outline solid and traditional approach. In ISO 14001, it uses the same fundamental system as ISO 9000. Both ISOs require senior management support and commitment. They also require organizations to have a system for establishing and reviewing objectives and targets. They require organizations to provide an ongoing management review as well. However, ISO 9000 is developed specifically to address customer requirements and expectations regarding product quality. In ISO 9001, it sets out the requirements for organizations whose business processes range from design and development to production, installation, and servicing. Meanwhile, ISO 9002 is applicable for organizations that are not involved with design and development. ISO 9003 is the appropriate standard for organizations whose business processes do not include design control, process control, purchasing or servicing, but rather it uses inspection and testing to ensure that final products and services meet specified requirements. So the implementation of ISO 9000 in a laboratory would benefit an organization in such it could affect on the quality of the product, it can increase the reliability of the product and also improve the productivity. Any laboratory of an organization that has been accredited by ISO 9000 can convince any customer to buy products from them, as the product produced by this company is known to have a stricter quality control system. The implementation of ISO 14000 in a laboratory of an organization can help to minimize waste, minimize pollution, and reduce hazardous emission. As seen earlier in the video, uncontrollable production of chemical can eventually increase the rate of pollution and contribute to climate change. In conclusion, both standards ensure the longevity of an organization based on their compliance with the standards themselves. The guidelines set within the standards will help any organization to improve the quality and reduce unnecessary consequences. That is all from me. Thank you for watching.